Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to install a couple of text editors. What are text editors? A text editor is a type of program used for editing plain text files. Plain text files are basically files without any formatting. Text editors are provided with operating system software. Let's take a look at some basic text editors shipped with their various operating systems. So we've got Notepad, which is shipped with Windows operating system. We've got TextEdit, which is shipped with Mac OS, and we've got Gedit, which is shipped with Ubuntu, which is a variant of the Linux operating system. Now let's take a look at some good cross-platform text editors. Cross-platform means the text editor will work on multiple operating systems, for example, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. An example is Atom. Atom is free and can be downloaded from atom.io. Next, we have Sublime Text. This is a very popular text editor among web developers. It costs $80 for a single license, but you can test drive it for as long as you want, but you will occasionally get prompts about purchasing a copy. So it can be downloaded from sublimetext.com. Another good text editor, which is also free, is called Brackets. It can be downloaded from brackets.io. Let's install the Atom text editor by heading over to their website, which is atom.io. When you are on the Atom website, it will automatically detect your operating system. Click on the Download Installer button to begin the download. Once the download is complete, double-click to run the Atom setup.exe file, which is this file here on the bottom left-hand corner. So just double-click and that will open up the setup. So you may get a security warning. Just click Run to begin the installation. The installation has started, so the screen will remain like this until the installation is completed, and it will automatically launch the application. You may get a message about using Atom as your default URI handler. So click No. URI basically stands for a Uniform Resource Identifier. It is a string of characters used to identify a resource. You can close the various panes by clicking on the X next to it. Just click on the various X and that will close the panes, and this will be your main editor where you write your code. So to exit the editor, you just go File and click Exit, and this is the icon that it creates on your desktop. Next, let's install Brackets by downloading it from brackets.io. It will auto detect your operating system. Click on the Download Brackets button to begin the download. Once the download is completed, double click and run the installation. So double click and the installation should begin. You may get a security warning. Click on the Run button to run the application. You will be prompted for a destination folder. Accept the default location. Also accept these boxes that have been checked and click Next. To begin the installation, click on the Install button. You may get a user control prompt. Click Yes if you do get that pop-up. When the installation is completed, the installer will display a success message. So click on the Finish button to exit. Let's quickly launch the Brackets text editor to see what it looks like. If you are on a Windows computer, you need to go to All Programs menu, and you should see the Brackets icon here. Just click on it and that will launch the editor. You may get a firewall block message if you are on a Windows. This is because Brackets comes with a Node.js server which needs access to communicate with the network. So you need to click on the Allow Access button to allow that to load. You should only have to allow access the first time after the installation. Brackets provides you with a sample code. So this is just a sample HTML code which comes pre-built into Brackets when you install it. So these are just some sample files. This is HTML and we've got a CSS file here as well. If I click on this, this is a CSS file. If you are running a Mac OS, you need to go to your applications folder and run Brackets from your application folder. So that's it for this video. To exit, just click on File and click Exit.